Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Eva Burg. I'm a certified nutrition and health coach, and today I would like to show you how you can make super nutritious and super smooth smoothies in the new Froothie Evolve. The Froothie Evolve is way more than a regular blender. It cooks, it steams, it has a vacuum function, it comes with a tempered glass jug, which means that your food won't be in touch with plastic or any nasty BPA. And one of the most special functions, in my opinion, is the vacuum function. Basically built into the fruit and veg setting, into the smoothie setting, and once you hit the button, it will start sucking out all the air of the jug, and then it starts blending, prevent the food inside from oxidizing. You might have put down a smoothie on the counter in the past, waited for a couple of minutes and noticed that the color has changed, that it has started to separate. And if that happens, that's when it starts losing nutrients as well. This won't happen if you use the Froothie Evolve. That's what the vacuum is for, and it creates the most beautiful and smooth smoothies you will have ever seen. We are going to make a green goddess smoothie. If you want to get the most out of your blender, you always start with the liquid first, then the softer products, and then in the end the harder ones. Like I'm going to use coconut water, a bit of celery, an apple, spinach, and some frozen banana. So I'll start with the coconut water. Don't worry, I'll put the exact recipe into the comments below. So next I'm going to put in the spinach, then the celery. The apple, I've quartered it, and then just on top the frozen banana. Put on the lid, make sure that it seals tightly. Then this lid needs to go on top. Now I'll turn it on. Press the menu button once, that will set it to the smoothie setting, and then you've got a timer appearing on the display, and you simply press the on button. Or you could simply say, "Hey Froothie,
I'm listening.
Make my smoothie." So before you can open the lid, you will have to release the vacuum, and there's a little button on top that you just press. Can you hear that? Okay, and now you can twist it. Now the lid will come off. Looks perfect. I'm absolutely delighted with the Froothie Evolve, and I love how the smoothies turn out. I use it almost every day, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. There's also the unboxing and some other recipes. And if you have any questions, put them in the comments below. You will also find the recipe there, and I hope to see you again soon.